Right now on Do It Yourself Gourmet, we're deboning chicken thighs. Nice and easy. Now the skin's already removed, and the thigh has already had the fat trimmed. What remains is to trace that last little patch of fat right through the middle to the bone, with a little flit of the knife here and there at the end to disconnect the tendons, and as we work ourselves through there, it should take the muscle apart, exposing the bone so that the bone can be scraped of the muscle fiber and relieved of its attachment to the chicken's thigh flesh. In doing so, it will be a process by which you take one side, free it, take the other side, free it, so that when the remainder of the muscle that is attached to the bottom of the thigh flesh remains, all it takes is a little bit of a knife move underneath the bone, and it brings it through nice and clean, where all that remains after the bone is removed is the cartilage, and that cartilage can be removed with a simple movement that isolates it and then uses the pressure of the knife to nip it off without losing too much flesh. And after that piece of cartilage has been removed, you can do a final check, flip it over once, check the other side, look for any errant bits of fat or tendon that you might not want to have associated with the chicken thigh. However, a small amount of fat is nice for rendering, and with that, you have yourself a boneless, skinless chicken thigh that's ready to be portioned or cooked and used as you see fit. Do It Yourself Gourmet. Thank you for watching. Please like, subscribe, comment, join the membership if you like. That would be really awesome. And we'll see you next time. Thanks for watching.